What's up, entrepreneurs? Let's talk about something that every single one of us has to deal with but nobody really loves: business payments. Getting them out on time, getting them in on time, it's a constant juggle. Could a service like Melio, which powers bill pay for millions, be the solution that finally simplifies it all? Let's find out in this 2026 review. Melio is designed to be an all-in-one platform for businesses to pay their bills and get paid themselves. The core promise is about saving you time and giving you more control over your cash flow. On the bill pay side, they emphasize streamlined workflows and automation, allowing you to pay using various methods, including by credit card, which can be a huge cash flow advantage, while your vendor still receives a bank transfer. They boast about saving business owners over 15 hours a month on average on bill pay alone. A key feature is the instant transfer option to help you never miss a deadline, promising vendors can be paid within minutes. For businesses working internationally, Melio allows you to pay global vendors in their preferred currency with competitive exchange rates, all while managing domestic and foreign payments from the same place. On the getting paid side, Melio helps you create and track professional invoices. They claim you can set up a merchant account in under 2 minutes to get paid digitally via shareable payment links, which can significantly speed up your receivables. For accountants and firms and managing multiple clients, Melio offers tools to stay on top of client finances with smart automation and flexible plans. The platform integrates with major accounting software like QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and Xero, providing a two-way auto-sync to keep all your financial data up to date automatically. You can also add team members to the platform with specific user roles and permissions, creating better approval workflows without losing overall control. They report processing over $100 billion securely and have facilitated more than 40 million bills paid on time to over 2 million vendors, which suggests a large, established user base. Melio offers 5 main pricing tiers for businesses in 2026. The Go plan is free forever for one user, offering 5 free ACH payments per month, basic bill payment methods, AI bill capture, and limited accounting syncs. The first paid tier is Core at $25 per month plus $10 per month for each additional user, which includes 20 free ACH payments, full accounting software syncs, batch payments, and approval workflows. The Boost plan costs $55 per month plus the per-user fee, increasing the free ACH payments to $50 per month and adding advanced automations and controls. The Unlimited plan is $80 per month with unlimited users and unlimited free ACH payments. Finally, the Platinum plan offers custom pricing and preferred terms for high-volume businesses and requires contacting their sales team. Goodbye, everyone, and see you later.